Now we're going to start with skin contact. And one common one that you might see that's surprising is latex. So a lot of people that work in hospital settings that use latex gloves, they can have an allergic reaction to it. Sometimes it can lead to an anaphylactic reaction. Some of these other ones are also common, but they're not the most common. Under injection, now with bee stings, not just bee stings, but wasp stings, ants, and several other insects can cause allergic reactions. So it's always, whenever someone gets stung by an insect, it's always good to be cautious and to make sure that they don't have an allergic reaction that gets out of control. Another under injection is whenever you go to the hospital, you receive some type of shot or an IV. You always want to be careful and make sure that the nurse is aware of any allergies that you might have. Some common ones that are seen in the hospital is penicillin. Anytime someone receives blood, sometimes blood transfusions can cause an anaphylactic reaction. Also, when you go and get, some people go to get a CT or an X-ray, any type of radiology procedure that has an IV, they'll give you an IV fluid, and some people have an allergic reaction to the IV fluid. Any other type of drug that you receive through an IV or through a shot, you want to be careful of. Make sure you don't have any drug allergies. Under ingestion, again, any type of medication that you take, be cautious of what you're taking. Any type of medication you take over the counter can lead to an allergic reaction. Some very common foods. Shellfish is a very common food that can cause an allergic reaction that can lead to anaphylaxis. Also, peanuts are a very common one, and any type of peanut product. It doesn't have to be just peanuts, but anything, sometimes factories that make peanuts will make several other foods. There are certain candy bars that you'll notice that say on the label, made in a factory that makes peanuts. You always want to be aware of what you're eating, because if you have any allergies to shellfish, peanuts, or anything else, several foods could cause an anaphylactic reaction. Some people that have to be more aware, that are more prone to have an anaphylactic reaction, are people with asthma, hay fever, or eczema. Now again, anything can cause an allergic reaction, and any allergic reaction can lead to anaphylaxis. So there's just a few of the common ones that you might see, but again, just always be cautious and make sure you know what products you're taking and what you're exposed to.